Yes, people, back again. I'm saying people like there's hundreds and thousands of people actually watching, when really and truly there's like 7. So shout out you 7 because you're loyal. I've got a Puma unboxing, first one of the year. It does have like let me just peel this off because it's got a barcode on it, and I think that could be used to track me. Paranoia. But yeah, that's alright. Boom, got a Puma one. This trainer, funny story, I actually saw someone wear this and I thought those are sick. So me being me, this actually doesn't happen to me regular. Normally when I buy trainers, I don't really see anyone wearing them unless they're like, normal Air Force One, Air Max, the regular. I haven't really seen a lot of people wear Pumas in person, maybe online, but the real world is the real world. So yeah, I saw these on someone's feet and thought, those are sick. And what did I do? I bought a pair. Whoa. This is a Puma RS-X Winterized. Just, bruv, look at that. Just look at that. Just, it's so simple, yet so good. Just look at the way the color hits. That is amazing. Like, just on a plain black tracksuit, I could literally wear these with a plain black tracksuit and they will pop. This is what you call simplistic. See how excited I am over these trainers. Look at that. It's got leather, which I have RS-X's, which are not winterized. Did I say winterized? No, RS-X. Leather. This is a bit of a mesh type thing. RS running system. Blacked out. Sold. Amazing. Look at that. Just the way the color pops. It's actually bright. And then the inside, a lot of leather, which I really like. I love leather trainers. Hopefully it doesn't crease up. It's looking a bit creased already. Might have to contact them and say, what you doing, mate? Got a bit of crease here. Sort that out. But yeah, I really like them. I'd give them a 10 out of 10. Not gonna lie. That's my rating. I want everyone else to start rating stuff, so comment what you rate these, if you like them, if you don't. I don't really have much else to say about them. On foot video to follow. Take care, guys. That sounded creepy. Take care, guys.